Suppose you have the integral of sine to the fourth of x dx. What's the approach calculating this integral? So remember that from pre-calculus, sine squared of x can be written as 1 minus cosine 2x divided by 2. So if I raise it to the second power, sine to the fourth of x is 1 minus cosine 2x divided by 2 to the second power. How this is helpful? Well, if I look back at my integral, this is now the integral of 1 minus cosine 2x divided by 2 to the second power. I reduce the power from 4 to 2 now. Now I'm going to do a little bit of algebra. From algebra, when you have 1 minus cosine 2x divided by 2 to the second, first of all, you can write it as 1 minus cosine 2x to the second divided by 2 squared, which is 4. In turns, it can be written as 1/4. You have 1 minus cosine 2x times 1 minus cosine 2x, which becomes 1 minus cosine 2x. Then you distribute negative cosine 2x, so negative cosine 2x plus cosine squared 2x. Very well. So you can write this guy as 1/4, 1 minus 2 cosine 2x plus cosine squared of 2x. From pre-calculus, you know that cosine squared of 2x can be written as, so let me use a different color. This guy can be written as 1 plus cosine of 2 times 2x divided by 2. So let us substitute everything back into our integral and try to take this integral. This is now the integral of, let me finish this guy, 1/4, 1 plus 2 cosine 2x plus 1 plus cosine 4x divided by 2. So this can be written as 1/4, 1 plus 2 cosine 2x plus a half plus cosine 4x divided by 2 dx. Very well. You have 1/4, you have 1 and a half, which is 3/2 plus 2 cosine 2x plus cosine 4x divided by 2 dx. In turns, it can be written as 1/4. The integral of 3 divided by 2 is 3/2x. And then here you have the integral of 2 cosine 2x, which can be written as plus, here you have 2 divided by 2 sine of 2x plus, now for this one, you're going to write it as 1/2 times 4, so let me use a different color here, plus sine of 4x divided by 2 times 4, and this can be written as 1/4 3/2x plus sine 2x plus 1/8 sine 4x plus constant of integration. You can simplify this further by distributing 1/4 into parentheses or into bracket. This is equal to 38x plus 1/4 sine 2x plus 1/32 sine 4x plus constant of integration. So with an even exponent, I just went back to pre-calculus and use sine squared, which is 1 minus cosine 2x divided by 2. And then I raise it to the second power. I reduce the exponent from 4 to 2. So this is your job. This is your goal, to reduce the exponent inside your integral to make it a little bit simpler so you can calculate the integral.